Hey guys, good evening. Looks like the recording is working now. Coach Ian here. So, andito kayo ngayon kasi we're gonna do a bit of a Q&A pero meron lang akong mini training din na gagawin. Okay? Because I'll discuss to you a bit about SDR positions, sales development rep. Okay? And then how you can get like bigger pay if you're an account executive. All right? So nakikita nyo na dyan ano, sa background. I just place it there. All right, hold on. Um, Let me just click this. Nakikita nyo dito sa background, I was in the BPO industry for more than 15 years. Pero last year, my wife had a stroke. So early February, first week ng Feb. So I need to leave the BPO world to take care of her. So that's me in a nutshell. Okay? So that's my background. Pero before we start, this is urgent now. Okay? When I say urgent, it's really urgent. Kasi today is June 22, tama ba? There's gonna be a job. Actually, kahit piso wala akong matatanggap dito, no? But I'm helping a friend, okay? Do you know anyone, number one, do you know anyone na who might be interested with this one? This is a BPO job, BPO. Call center talaga siya. The monthly income is 45K. It's gonna be a company provided device. Then at the same time, it's gonna be work from home. And then lastly, it's gonna be with People Partners BPO. Do you know someone? Pero merong catch yan ipapakita ko sa inyo Pero ito yung urgent na kailangan ko. Like for those who's got their resumes and CVs, this is a work from home na job. Okay? Pero merong catch. What's the catch? Number one, dapat may background ka sa RTO. Registered Training Organization. Si Coach Ian kasi before, I used to work with an Australian account for 3 to 4 years. Nagbebenta kami ng online courses. I'm with Open Colleges and Colleges Online before. So nag-offer kami ng leadership and management course, mga project management courses, and we're offering it to the international market before. Project management, even IT courses, yun yung mga ina-offer namin. Do you know someone na may background on? Kahit hindi kayo or tapos, syempre may background sa BPO of course. Hindi pwedeng wala pang background sa BPO. Pero ito yung Magi-start na July 1 yung ano nito, start date ng training. So if it's June 22, chances are they're gonna contact you. I-refer lang kayo ng friend ko who used to work in the same company na doon ako nagtrabaho dati like for 5 years ako doon, siya naman 12 years na. Actually, she's just rendering her job right now. Yung nagre-render na lang siya ng resignation. She's leaving the company hanggang June 28 lang siya. Then July 1 start na siya doon sa kabilang company. Pero 12 years siya sa previous company. Do you know someone who's interested with this one? Again, this is work from home, 45K yan with People Partners BPO. Okay? So, yun siya. Plinag ko lang ng konti ng mabilisan kasi kailangan na yan ng account na yan. So, it's gonna be a good thing if you have a background. Or, baka yung tanong nyo, pwede ba ako coach? Pwede pa rin kayong mag-submit kasi kung if ever hindi kayo swak doon sa profiling, pwede kayong ilagay sa ibang account. Okay? But I can't guarantee if it's gonna be work from home. Pero kung work from home, pero majority sa accounts kasi nila is work from home. So yun din. Pero I can't guarantee as well kung meron namang work from home bibigay sa inyo. I don't know how much yung salary na bibigay. Pero etong sinasabi ko sa inyo, this is 45K. Okay? Then company provided laptop na yan, People Partners BPO. All right? Next. Actually, I have this little community, Pass Academy Wave 3 DM appointment setting program. Ito. So just like a couple of minutes ago, we've turned to 1,900 members. So we're just really kumbaga it's a very small community lang kami. Okay? So we've started like what? 13 days ago, pero no, I'm sorry. 16 days ago, so 1,900 members na kami. Okay? Now, for example, doon sa little community namin, in-announce ko na, merong hiring virtual assistant, Airbnb, meron ding remote sales remote sales pero realty. $800 yung basic salary pero nandun na yung details sa community namin. For example, this is another one, niche to voice account din to. syempre work from home to kasi remote sales to. Base pay, guys, masanay kayo every time I mention the word base pay kasi yan yung terminology na ginagamit sa high ticket sales. Tayong nasa BPO, ang alam natin magkano yung compensation package ganun. Magkano yung package, 'di ba? Pero base pay, tuturo ko sa inyo mamaya, papakita ko sa inyo $1,000, then 8 to 12% commission. Yun yan na, voice account to. Yan, now hiring. Pinost ko dun sa group. So yung mga may background sa BPO. So, guys, papakilala lang ako ng konti sa inyo. Okay? I'm Ian Bailio. So, hindi ko na i-discuss in detail tong mga sandali nga to. Na-erase ba? Hindi. Na-erase. Okay, so I'm into personal branding, high ticket sales, Google Ads agency. But I'm just gonna be focusing tonight about high ticket sales. All right? I'm looking right now at the time kasi I'm very conscious kasi meron akong 2 hour na training after this. All right? Pero pag-uusapan natin, it's gonna be high ticket sales. All right? Next, eto. You might want to add me sa sa Facebook. Kasi as of now, meron na akong mga 12 na friends. Pag inad nyo ako, magiging 15 or 16. Just kidding. Pero you can add me as friend sa Facebook. Ian Bailio, yan na profile. Merong 1,900 friends or 2K na ata ngayon. So, ganun siya. Ha? 1,900 friends ata pa ngayon. Konti na lang papatak na yun ng 2K. Now, I just have a disclaimer. Okay? I just have a disclaimer. Number one, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm not here to discuss MLM or networking. Okay? So sorry, hindi ako magdi-discuss sa inyo ng power. Yung ganun na case. Yung magdodrawing ako ng bilog-bilog ng ganyan. Di ba? Magdodrawing ako ng bilog dyan. At magpe-pairing bonus kayo. I'm sorry. We're not gonna do that. Okay? Next, I'm not here to discuss about crypto or Bitcoin or Forex. Okay? So wala akong binibentang ganyan na investment. So I'm very sorry din kung yun ang ini-expect nyo. But if you want, we can discuss. I'm just kidding. Pero sa totoo, I know how to trade. Kahit sabihin yung mga indicator, alam ko. Bollinger Bands, Stochastic, MACD, Moving Averages, SMA 50, 200, ganun na case. Ha? O, kahit anong time frame pa yan. Kahit scalping, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, I know how to do that one, even trading. But I'm not here to discuss about that one. And I'm very sorry as well kasi wala akong papakita sa inyo mga bahay, cheque o kotse. Kasi you know what? Kasi I don't want to hype you. I want you to have an educated decision. Okay? Is that okay with you? Fair enough? So I'm not here to where can we send the resume na kagad, ano? Okay, now, so what I'm going to share to you is a freelancing skill. Okay, freelancing. Kaya freelancing kasi hindi ka na biyahe, hindi ka na pupunta sa Yung iba dito, I know the feeling for that one. Like, yung napipilitan ka na lang bumangon pero inimagine mo pa lang yung traffic. Pero sorry for the word I know some of you here, they love their job. Pero ako, I've reached that point as well when I was traveling kasi Cavite ako. Biyahe pa ako ng 3 hours pero sa totoo, dapat kaya mo lang kunin ng 1 to 1.5 hour. Umaabot ng 3 hours because of the traffic. Pero umabot ako sa point na, sorry for the word, pero yung nasusuka na ako sa work ko. Like, feeling mo, if there's just an option for me, yung ganun na case, guys, nakaka-relate ba kayo yung ganun? Kung merong option lang sana na I can stay at home, I don't know, yung iba sa inyo dito, like, di ba, alis ka ng madaling araw, I don't know, minsan, basta you don't have much time with your kids. Ako, guilty ako dyan na part na yan. When I was working in the PPO, hindi ko nga naatinan yung mga, kahit totoo to guys hindi ko naatinan yung tawag dito, graduation ng anak ko ng kinder, ng high school, ng elementary, hindi ko naatinan. Nangyari lang siya first time last year when my wife had a stroke na mag-graduate yung bunso namin ng grade 6. So yun yung pinaka first time ko ma-experience na maging papa para umattend ng graduation ng anak ko. Kasi wala na akong choice kasi my wife merong stroke and I have to be there for my daughter. Kumbaga na case. And this time, even this July 4, it's gonna be a graduation naman ng anak ko ng grade 12 ko. First time ko rin yan. Would you believe me this week? First time ko ding umattend ng meeting, yung parents meeting para sa graduation. Kasi all throughout, it's been my wife who's been doing that for me. Okay? Oo. So, alam ko yung iba dito, baka na-feel nyo na gusto nyo na talaga mag-work from home. So, what I'm discussing you guys, so it's like freelancing, virtual assistant, FB ads, then Google ads, ganyan. Pero this is high ticket sales, yung ituturo ko sa inyo. Okay? Taas ng kamay. Familiar na sa high ticket sales? Hindi, guys. Ganto na lang. Taas ng kamay, first time pa narinig ang high ticket sales. Yeah, wag kayong mahiya, that's okay. Kasi sanay tayo sa customer service, sa tech support, yung mga ganun na case, retention. Pero first time pa sa inyo, that's okay. Let me show you now sa Facebook. Doon tayo sa Facebook. Papakita ko sa inyo what does high ticket sales looks like. Okay, hold on. Okay, close ko lang. May nag-reply sa akin, taga United States na businessman. So, hindi biglang nag-pop sa ano ko sa messages ko. Oo. Pero I know she's a Filipina kasi sa her profile. Pero she's got a business. Pero nag-reach out ako. Okay. Papakita ko lang sa inyo ng 1 to 2 minutes para mamaya magigets nyo na. Alright? Papakita ko lang ng 1 to 2 minutes. Okay. This one here, pag tinype nyo sa search bar, high ticket, kay Coach Ian, kaya marami nang lalabas na high ticket guys kasi I belong to like what? 70 to 80 high ticket sales group. Alam ko kayo pag pumupunta sa Facebook, ang alam nyo lang BPO call center, mga ganun lang ang alam yung pinupuntahan. Or siguro mga non-voice group or basta ganun na case. Make sense? Pero marami pong high ticket sales group. Are you seeing this? High ticket sales. Pag high ticket sales, dalawa lang kapupuntahan mo. It's either you're a setter, 'di ba? Setter, appointment setter. Are you a setter or a closer? Uulitin ko you can be a setter or you can be a closer. Malinaw guys? Pero ayan high ticket sales. Bago lang to sa pandinig nyo, pero pag nakita nyo na, ay marami palang ganyan, coach. Yes, it is. Bago ka lang sa hindi mo lang alam, pero ayan, high ticket sales group. So nakikita nyo, ito, the Closer University, the High Ticket Sales Club, high ticket remote setting, closing opportunities. Pero yan yun, nakikita nyo na, hindi yan direct sales, hindi tayo dyan. Kasi direct sales, those are parang Avon, Sara Lee, di ba yung mga ganun, personal collection. Oh, we're talking here about etong mga remote setting and closing opportunities, mga ganyan. Basta high ticket sales job listings, kunwari ganyan, nakikita nyo, uy, 9-figure sales secrets kay Ellie Wild. Sasali ako dyan. Ellie Wild is one of the best when it comes to sales. Pero pinapakita ko lang sa inyo, tsaka ko na nga yan sagutin, babalikan ko na lang yan. Guys, so merong high ticket sales. Pasok tayo sa isang group papasok ako sa isang group. For example, eto, high ticket sales, yung name ng group nila, 10 to 20K per month remote setters and closer with 22,000 members. Alam ko yung iba dito, coach, kahit nga lang $2,000 per month or 1K, masaya na ako eh. Adi yun. Pero I'm just showing you, you can potentially earn, depende sa you guys, ha? Pwedeng 2K, pwedeng 3K, pwedeng 1K, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. I'm just looking at the time right now kasi it's 7:26 na. Sabi ko sa inyo, I intend to finish this earlier, this meeting. Okay? Now, before we start again, I'm Ian Bailio. I'm the founder of Philippine Appointment Setter Society. So, PASS. So, may meaning pala yung PASS sa amin Hindi siya yung PASS lang na It's an acronym for Philippine Appointment Setter Society. So, that's us. And I have an academy. Actually, this coming June 29, it's going to be Wave 3. Okay? So Wave 1 and Wave 2, nagbayad yan sila sa akin ng libo-libo just to learn DM appointment setting. Okay? Pero this coming for 1 week, I'll be teaching people for free, 100% free to guys Ni singkong duling walang babayaran. I'll be teaching people about DM appointment setting. Okay? Pero I'm also into Google Ads kasi when I was in the BPO, yung last job ko before na stroke si Mrs., I'm handling Google Ads account. Okay? So almost 200 kami, dagdagan mo na lang dalawa or tatlong tao tapos kumbaga I'm one of the best. Modesty aside, ako yung either top 1 or top 2%. So ako yung laging hinahabol. Either ako yung top 1 dun sa almost 200 agents or reps. Either top 1 or top 2. So when I was with Google, Sa BGC kami, sa Vista Hub. Okay? When I was with Google, nagsi 6-digit a month ako doon. Okay? Pero nga, nangyari ang nangyari. My wife had a stroke, and that's okay. I have to leave the corporate world. Now, ito yung upcoming event namin. Sorry na. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko pa pala na-share yung ano. Sorry. Yun siya yung sa DM appointment setting. Let me switch pala the presentation. So, like what I said, ito, that's me, Ian, founder of Philippine Appointment Setter Society. Sorry, hindi na ako nakatingin sa PowerPoint presentation. Sa ano dun sa, okay. Tapos, eto, that's Pass Academy. So, and then, tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing 3 hours Google Ads training dun sa gustong matuto. If meron kang skill sa Meta Ads, parisan mo ng Google Ads. Example lang yan. Kasi pag nakita mo sa Indeed or sa mga tawag dito sa Job Street, they're offering 80K, 100K kapag may background ka sa FB Ads and Google Ads. So tomorrow, I'm doing a free training. Tapos yung umattend ng free training pa, bibigyan ko pa ng 5 hours na libreng training din about Google Ads ulit. Promise, even like tomorrow when you attend the training, meron ka ng certified Google Ads na certificate. Hindi galing kay Coach Ian, galing directly yun kay Google. Pwede, hinahanapan yan pag nag apply ka sa mga companies. Lalo na pag may mga agencies. They want to know kung may pinag-aralan mo talaga yung Google Ads, for example. Then, this coming June 29 to July 6. So, I'll be teaching people, yung 1,900 people from that Wave 3 na group na nakita nyo, tuturuan ko sila ng DM appointment setting. Okay? Now, what's my story? Nakwento ko na ng mabilis. More than 15 years sa BPO, I have to leave my job. And that's my wife, pero hindi talaga yan wife ko. That's ano lang yan, AI lang yan. Pero, in fairness sa AI, dinescribe ko lang, 90% kuha niya yung yung features ni Mrs. Pag nakatalikod, parang Mrs. ko talaga. Nagkaiba lang sa buhok, pero ang galing. Ang galing ng AI, kumbaga. So now, eto, di ba, I don't know kung tinuruan kayo, if familiar kayo ng konti about financial literacy, di ba dapat meron tayong emergency funds? Let me ask you this. Kunwari, sino ditong kayang mabuhay ng 6 months na walang trabaho? Can you raise your hands? Meron dito sa inyo, wala. 6 months, kayang mabuhay ng walang trabaho. That's good, Tim. That's good. Ibig sabihin may savings ka. Pero turo kasi sa financial literacy, dapat, in case mawalan ka ng trabaho, at least kaya mo mabuhay ng 6 months. Okay? Si Coach Ian, for 7 to 8 months, I was doing okay. Siguro ganun yon. Pag ilang years ka nang galing sa trabaho ka ng trabaho, tas workaholic din ako, ang nangyari sa akin, nung nag-stroke na si Mrs., nag-focus lang talaga akong alagaan siya. So kumbaga, ako yung caregiver niya, and then nag-hire lang ako ng physical therapist twice or 3 times a week yung session. Babayaran mo ng 1,000 pesos per session. Kayo na mag-compute. Pero biglang, teka lang, kailangan hindi na 3 times a week, dapat 2 times a week na lang. Maya-maya sabi ko, kailangan once a week na lang. Bakit? Kasi lumalaki na yung di ba? Kumukonti na, nagdi-deplete na yung funds ko. For 7 to 8 months, hindi ako naghanap ng work. Siguro dahil na burnout ako or parang feeling ko deserve kong mag-rest. Pero that's what happened to me. Tapos, my funds started depleting. Pero ang pinakamatindi kasing nangyari kay Coach Ian, because of greediness, in less than 1 hour, in just a matter of minutes, I lost 250,000 pesos. Promise. It's because of trading. Yun yung nangyari sa akin. Trading kasi greedy ako eh. Uy, natalo ko ng ganito, kailangan bumawi ako. I was doing scalping that time. That's what happened to me. So napilitan ako. Naghanap na lang tuloy ako ng sabi ko, ano bang skills? Ayoko na rin mag-report sa office eh. Ayokong mag-work na yung magbiyahe ako. Bakit? Kasi I have my wife. Hindi rin naman ako umanap ng helper tutulong sa amin. So, ginawa ko, isang beses, may nakita akong training, dumaan sa feed ko. In short, natuto ako ng DM appointment setting, si Coach Ian. Okay? And the rest is history. Siyempre, I'm also teaching Google Ads. So I have hundreds of students. Iba din yung ano, iba pa yung sa DM appointment setting. So ngayon, I'm leading like more than 200 DM setters under my group. Okay? So that's what happened to me. Again, actually after this, eto talagang ituturo ko. I'm going to do an academy orientation after nung training nung talk natin ngayon I'm gonna do a 2-hour orientation for the students because I'll teach them about DM appointment setting. Okay? So, yun yung mangyayari sa kanila tonight. Now, what is high ticket sales? Sabi ko nga, bago sa pandinig nyo, siguro ang pinupuntahan nyo lang sa Facebook, ulitin ko siguro ang pinupuntahan nyo lang sa Facebook yung mga Molongski, di ba yung ganun na case? Kasi freelancing yon. Marami kang matutunan doon or mga freelancing groups or ganito na case. Hindi nyo alam, or pinupuntahan nyo lang mga freelancing virtual assistant or pwedeng FB ads, yung mga ganun na case. Ang hindi nyo alam, meron talagang high ticket sales na group. Pagkadami-dami ng high ticket sales group. Malinaw? So yun lang yun. Shortcut, ang high ticket sales, any products or services na ang binibenta mo is $1,000 and above. Malinaw? Magkano? Magkano? $1,000 and above. Kaya high ticket sales ang tawag. Okay? Yun lang yun. Now, which countries need remote sales help? Kailangan nila ng remote setters or remote closers. Kailangan nila. US, Canada, UK, Australia, European countries. Merong iba, nangangailangan pero Singapore. Yung ganun sa Asia na side Pero typically, these are the countries na nangangailangan ng mga remote sales guys. Okay? Now, which industries needs remote sales? Wealth, dating and relationship, then health. Okay? Pero pag inano mo yan, masyadong diverse yan pag breakdown natin yung wealth. Pag kinumbay natin, real estate company na naghahanap sila ng appointment setters, pwedeng ganon, or closers, depende. Solar companies or agencies. When I say agencies, these are service-based agencies. Kunwari, ino-offer nila yung product nila or service nila, like, I don't know, funnel, workflows, kahit anong offer nila, babayad yung customer ng $4,000. Make sense? Tapos merong monthly na subscription or service na $1,000. Yung mga ganun. Or fitness coach or SaaS. Alam niyo na yung SaaS, di ba? Software as a service. Or financial firms or wealth coach, business. Yan yun sila. Okay? Ito yung mga naghahanap ng setters or closers. Gets? Gets, guys? Oh, so ngayon baka nasa isip niyo pa rin, hindi pa rin kayo naka-move on, ano? Oh, Brenda, naririnig nyo ba ako, guys? Hindi. I'm sorry. I don't know if you can hear. Okay. Nawala pong audio. Meron po. Okay. So I'll go with majority who says they can hear me. Okay? Next. Ito yun siya. So ngayon, sa tingin nyo ba ang dinidiscuss ni Coach Ian networking pa rin or network marketing? O baka hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on Baka akala nyo, offeran ko pa rin kayo ng something na package. Bili kayo ng food supplement ko. Hindi po. I'm talking here about freelancing. Next, what device coach do I need in remote sales? Actually, strict sila sa requirement. Ang pinaka-requirement nila dito, dapat may Mac ka. Okay? Sino ditong may Mac? Joke lang guys. Okay naman, dinibdib niyo naman eh. It's either whatever laptop or PC or desktop you have. Okay? Alright, baka sineryoso nyo Hindi po. Huwag niyong seryosohin yon. Wala yung ano, wala yung mga Mac na yon. Pero I'm just saying, kasi remote to, hindi ka naman sa phone magtatawag, di ba? Syempre, headset. Kailangan may headset ka, ganun na part. Pero the software, si client na magpro-provide sa inyo niyan. Or, lalo na kung closer ka, you're gonna be doing it via Zoom. Okay? Pag appointment setter ka, hindi ka magsi-sales talk. Hindi mo bebentahan ng product. Ang goal mo lang makapag-book ng appointment. Mamaya papaintindi ko sa inyo. Okay? Now, who knows Grant Cardone? Kilala hindi? Si Grant Cardone. Raise your hands. Grant Cardone. Grant Cardone is super sikat yan sa US. He's a billionaire now, si Grant Cardone. Okay? Sikat na sikat yan si Grant Cardone. Now, this is one of our, may 7 million followers si Grant Cardone. Basta billionaire yan. May barko nga yan sobrang laki. Doon sa barko niya nakalagay 10x. Kasi kaya 10x, ang goal ni Grant Cardone, tutulungan niya yung business mo mag times 10 yung profit. So if you're earning $10,000 per month right now, Ang goal ni Grant Cardone is either mag 5x or mag 10x ang income mo. Kasi he is into business coaching, business consultancy. Now, this is Jay, one of our clients sa DM appointment setting. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konti idea how it works sa amin sa DM setting. Eto si Mike. Kunwari, nakita mo sa Facebook, sa isang group ng Facebook, mga business coaches or business owners, for example, nag-send kami ng DM. I-chat-chat mo lang, hey Mike, nakita kita dun sa group ganun na case. O, idol mo pala din si Grant Cardone. Example lang to O, idol mo pala. Ang goal natin, pagka-chat mo si Mike, kailangan, una, malaman mo yung problem niya. Ulitin ko ang goal mo is to dig deep. Kailangan mo malaman ano yung problem niya sa business niya. Bakit? No problem, no booking. Ulitin ko pag hindi mo alam yung problem ni prospect, di ka makakapag-book. Okay? Ganon lang yon. Pag alam mo na yung problem, hindi lang din na alam mo na yung problem. Dapat kaya mong i-magnify ang problem. Kaya mong palakihin yung problem. And I'm not kidding about that one. Wala ako ngayon para mag-training para sa inyo. I'm just showing you how it works for us with DM setting. Bibigyan namin sila ng lead magnet, ganyan, bibigyan namin yan. Pagkatapos, natuwa si Mike. Sabi niya, sige, kumbaga problema ko sa marketing Okay, book kita kay Jay. Pag na-book na kay Jay, kasi taga-book ka lang hindi ka sa amin to sa DM setting, hindi ka magtatawag, hindi ka mare-reject. DM lang, in short, chat-chat lang, direct messaging lang. Pwedeng LinkedIn, pwedeng Instagram, pwede Facebook. Now, pag na-close deal nila, Jay, may commission ka. Malinaw, hindi? May commission ka, na-close deal nila, taga-book ka lang ng appointment. Now, eto na. Magkano ang sweldo dyan, coach? Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Okay, magigets nyo. Sa amin muna to sa DM setting. 95% of the time, it's commission-based. Okay? Walang basic pay. Wala kang expect every kinsina katapusan. Commission-based lang. Ay, nakaka-discourage naman yan, coach. Tingnan natin kung madi-discourage ka. Okay, let's do some quick math. Ang product or ang price points or offer ni Jay is $5,000 to $60,000. Tanong, mahal o hindi? Let me ask you this, mahal o hindi? Ang 5,000 to 60,000, mahal. Mahal ang sagot ni Mary kasi Pinoy ka. Okay? Mahal sabi nyo kasi Pinoy ka. Ang ginawa mo, yung 5,000, kinompute mo, 250,000 ang mahal. Sa US, mura yan. Mura lang yan. Correct. Kasi sa US Guys, sa US, ang mga tao on the average, meron silang 3 to 4 credit cards bawat tao. Ibig sabihin, isang swipe lang yan. Tama hindi? Guys, isang swipe lang yan. Tama hindi? 5,000 to $60,000. That's how it works. Ganon sa US or UK or Australia or basta yung mga countries na first world. Now, you get a 5% commission. Compute tayo ng mabilis Ano yung 5%? Kunwari na close deal nila, Jay. May nabook kang appointment. Na-close deal nila, Jay, ng $10,000. Hindi ka nag-sales stock noon, sila. Na-book mo lang, nabigyan mo ng Calendly. Tanong, magkano sa'yo? Simple math. 5% ng 10,000, magkano sa'yo? Magkano sa'yo? Commission-based to kay Jay, magkano sa'yo, guys? That is, sige nga, 5% ng $500. Pwede na yon 26K, 27K, pwede na hindi. Isang tao lang yan. Ulitin ko, isang tao lang yan. Pwede na. Tama ba? Yes. That's how it works. Pwede na. What if dalawa ang na-close deal? What if yung isa na-close deal ng 60,000 nila, Jay? For example. What if hindi na-close deal? Wala ang commission kasi it's gonna be commission-based. Based on sales lang to. Ganun lang yung logic nun. Okay? Pero mamaya, kasi I have limited time. Meron pa akong mga papakita sa inyo. Now, let me show you this now. Zach is my friend. Kahit kung friends na tayo, makikita niyo friends ko rin to si Zach. Okay, si Zach. Nag-hire sila ng setters para sa gyms and fitness centers. Magkano ang base pay? 1.5. Pwede na hindi? Oo naman. Alam ko papatusin nyo yung 1.5 na yan kasi that's 75,000. Make sense? Iba pa yung commission mo to 50 to $100 per set or close set. Lowest earner daw nila is 4 to 6K per month. Ibig sabihin, yung lowest nila na earner is 4K. Alam ko kayo dyan, umamin kayo hindi, alam ko kahit $1,000 a month lang masaya na kayo. Lalo na pag 2K. Pero kung mahinang nilalang ka, 4K sa'yo, pwede na yun. Tapos 100 dials a day. Kaya hindi. BPO guys, kaya hindi. Pag di ka nag-100 dials, tamad ka. Kasi ako, kaya ko ng 200 dials eh. Make sense? Oo. Sisiw yan. Oo, yung ganun na case. Now, eto din, yung ibang offer. Eto din ibang offer ah. Kailangan, sa digital marketing sila, ang basic salary for setters nila 3,000. Oy, ewan ko sa inyo, ngingiti ka ba dyan sa 3,000 o hindi? Ayaw mo niyan? Variable commission. Ibig sabihin, iba din yung commission mo. Ito, business growth naman to sa kanila. 2 setters tsaka 3 closers kailangan nila. 1,500 ang base pay, variable commission. Tingnan nyo yung KPIs nila. 100 dials per day, 25 emails, 25 texts. Kaya hindi? Oo naman, kaya nyo yun. Trabahong tamad pa yung 100 dials. Now, remote home improvement offer. For example, looking for someone with a background in home improvement, contracting, and sales. Current setters nila. Ito na lang, faith-based marriage. Siguro ako pag ganito, bias to ah. I'll be hiring people who are Christians. Like parang solid yung ano nila yung family nila. Bakit? Kasi parang ibebenta mo is relationship. Faith-based eh, may na marriage eh. Pero the base pay is 3K, variable commission. 100 dials a day, warm leads. Ay. Pero sales influence, pwedeng spin selling or gap selling kasi maraming klase niyan eh. Pwedeng ilagay nila dyan objection box na selling or NEPQ kay Jeremy Minor, yung ganun na case. Ito naman, kailangan nila sa real estate coaching, top guys making 20K. Yung magaling daw nilang magbenta, 20K per month. Make sense? Ang company nila is earning 5 million a year and want to stack 8 to 12 calls a day on a calendar. Yung mga ganun. KPIs nila to close is 1 is to 7. Ano ibig sabihin ng 1 is to 7? Sa bawat 7 mong makakausap, dapat isa ma-close deal mo. Malinaw, hindi. Guys, sa bawat na-book, kasi na-book na yan eh. Gets nyo guys? Naiintindihan nyo ba? Hindi. Okay. O guys, let me discuss to you a bit about close rate. Okay? When I say close rate, sa bawat 10 na-book ng appointment, kasi appointment setter ka lang naman eh, sa kabila, sila yung closer or account executive. That's the other name for closer. Doon sila sa kabila, pag na-close deal nila doon, kunwari may nabook ang 10, kung ang close deal nila is 20% lang, mahinang nila lang sila. Okay? Pero pag ang close rate nila is 30 to 40%, matuwa ka. Bakit? Mas malaki yung commission mo. Kasi commission based ka lang eh. Make sense? Pero nakikita nyo, yung ibang accounts or clients, merong base pay. Tama hindi, guys? Are you learning? Are you learning, guys? Kasi alam ko bago sa pandinig nyo tong ano, yung high ticket sales. Eto, kailangan nila ng closer para sa 7-figure na TikTok agency. 10 to 20K per month yung income. Alam ko ikaw kahit $2,000 per month masaya ka na. Pero 10 to 20K per month yung OTE nila. Ano yung OTE, coach? On target earnings, parang monthly income. On target earnings. Gets? Tapos ito, 25 to 40 book calls on your calendar weekly. Ay, yakang-yaka yan. 40 calls lang a week. Parang nababudgetin mo. So, mag-8 calls a day lang ako. Pero kasi, pag closer ka, kakausapin mo yung tao ng 30 to 45 minutes. Kasi bebentahan mo talaga sila. Pero gets nyo ba? Pero kung kikitain mo naman yung 10K to 20K, pero kung mahinang nilalang ka, o di doon ka lang sa 5K. Gets nyo ba? Tapos, yung commission mo, 10% commission on the 5 to 25K offer. Ibig sabihin, kung na-close deal mo ng 25K, anong 10%? O di may $2,500 ka kagad. Ulitin ko, nakausap mo ngayon, nabentahan mo ng $25,000. O di ang commission mo, 10%, may $2,500 ka. Just for today. Gets nyo ba kagad, guys? Kung nasa isip mo, ano, kung isa nga lang ma-close deal ko in 1 month, o di meron na akong $2,000, kumikitang kabuhayan na yon. Pero kung 5K lang, o di compute mo rin, 10% doon, $500. Make sense, guys? Pero may requirements sila, your user experience, yung mga offers, you close in their price ranges. Tapos, eto yung website nila, Juice.media, social media and content perform. Years in business, 2 years pa lang sila. Yung ganun na case. Make sense? I'll do it quickly again kasi meron 7:47 na. Kasi nga may training pa ako. Ito investorcreator.com, may base pay sila, meron pa silang yung plus commission. So yung potential income mo 5K to 7K a month. Oh, ito yung job board. Binigyan kayo ng job board hindi ng mga setters ko. May binigay sila sa inyo wala? Yung job board na link. Guys, trabaho yan. Yun nga lang, pag di nyo gets, hindi nyo muna naiintindihan. Oo, pero naghahanap yan sila. Naghahanap yan sila ng setters or closer. Pag nakita nyo yung SDR, Sales Development Rep, Appointment Setter ka nun. Pag account executive or closer, o di taga-close deal ka, make sense? O, ganun. Hindi ko na muna explain sa inyo nga ngayon kasi I'm on a tight timeline. Ganyan. Now, let me show you for 5 minutes how to find gigs in Facebook. Okay? Kasi after that, I need to jump to this one kasi 8 to 10 o'clock may training nga ako, sabi ko sa inyo. I'll be teaching people about DM appointment setting. At the same time, eto nga 1 week ko na training. Bukas sa Google Ads yan. Let me show you now. In 5 minutes lang ng konti. I know it's short, pero ganun ako when I do training. Kahit 1 hour lang ako nagturo, alam ng mga tao, sulit yung tinuturo ni Coach Ian. Okay? All right, make sense? Make sense? Okay. Lipat ulit tayo doon sa Facebook. Papakita ko sa inyo. All right. Pero if you're available ngayong 8 to 10, invite ko kayo Invite ko kayo. Pag hindi kayo available, that's okay. Kasi wala naman sa plano nyo to eh. Kumbaga yung 8 to 10. I was just explaining to you na merong opportunity sa inyo sa high ticket sales. Example, for this group, high ticket sales siya, 10 to 20K per month remote setters and closers. Guys, di ba sa Facebook meron dalawang klase na search bar? Tama hindi? Search bar na nandito, nakikita nyo, search bar na nandito, tsaka search bar na nandito. Tama hindi guys? Yung sa overall sa Facebook, gawin nga nating red to. Oh, yung dito search bar na nandito, yung common pag naghahanap tayo, then search bar na nasa loob ng group, tama ba? Dito tayo sa loob ng group kasi diyan tayo maghahanap ng gigs. Ang hanap mo muna, coach, meron dito sa inyo kasi guys, okay lang sa inyo kahit commission base, kahit walang base pay. Pero kung maganda naman yung bigayan, madali ibenta yung product, pwede ka dun sa commission base. Basta kung alam mo sa sarili mo magaling ka magbenta, patusin mo yung commission base. Bakit? Lalo na kung yung company sasalihan mo, ang pinakamahinang nila lang nila $3,000 from 3 to 6,000. Nasa isip mo, kahit 3,000 lang ako dyan, 2,000, masaya na ako. Pero bibigay ko yung best ko sa 6K. Type natin dito guys. Type ko dito sa search bar. Anong type ni Coach Ian? Base pay. Tinype ko is the word base pay. Uy, lumabas. Setters, wag kayong ma-surprise dito Yung mga hindi mga, okay, SDR, si Zach, sabi ko sa iyo, Zach is my friend. Setters have a 40K base pay. Taga-set ka lang taga-book ng appointment. Ano yan, coach? Monthly? Hindi po. Di ba sa US, pag tinanong mo yung isang tao, magkano income mo? Sasabihin niya, I'm doing 90K. Ano ibig sabihin nun? A year yon, annual yon. Tama, hindi. Alam niyo yun, hindi. Di ba pag United States, pag nag-uusap yung mga tao, hindi naman nila pinag-uusapan monthly income nila, laging yearly income. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang base pay na to, yung setter ka, divided by parang $3,000 ka per month. Kasi 3 times 12 is 36. May sobrang 4,000. Na-compute na ni coach, 3,300 per month. Yung monthly mo income. Pwede, hindi. Pwede hindi. Ano sila? Outdoor living company. Kailangan nila ng SDRs and closers. Malinaw? Yan siya. 'Di ba? Ang tinype ko merong word na base pay, 'di ba? Currently a team of 20 reps. Some reps have been there for 2 years. Sales managers, ganyan. Nakikita nyo ba yung mga sinasabi diyan? Eto closer for a real estate, wholesaling coaching offer. May 6 closers on the team nila daw kumikita ng 7 to 12K a month. 12% commission on cash collected. Kita nyo? Iba-iba yung deal nila hindi pare-pareho. SDR for a business growth offer, magkano? 1.5 ang base pay, 100 dials. Nakikita nyo na. I'm just showing you, live natin to, on the spot natin itong hinahanap sa Facebook. Ito, business mergers and acquisition. 1.5 din na base pay. Ito, 10 person sa sales team nila. 8 inbounds a day, all warm. Every day, makaka 8 inbounds ka lang a day. O yung ganun na case. 60% showed call rate. Ibig sabihin, sa lahat ng nabook, 60% yung Bisaya Pamutunga, yung uma-attend, yung sumisipot sa appointment at para dun sa consultation. 25 to 35% close rate. O di ba kaka-mention ko lang kanina ng Jeremy Miner kasi maraming klase ng way magbenta. Ito kay Jeremy Miner, more on emotional to sa kanya. Parang neuro-linguistic programming sa sales. Pero pag napanood niyo sa YouTube si Jeremy Miner, magaling yan sa sales. Okay? Nakikita nyo? O ito naman, I know Fred. Wag na yan, wag yan. Pero si Fredo, hourly based 10 hours per day. Hindi yan, masyadong demanding yan na guy. O, masyado siyang demanding, iba yung pressure niya. You wanna go with guys, pero I'm just showing you yung sa mga group na to. Base pay yung keyword na na. Ito na ngayon. Ito na guys. Tandaan nyo to na group. Ulitin ko ha. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-solid na group kapag magsi-search kayo sa Facebook. Salihan niyo yung group na yan. Are you seeing that one? Sales pipeline processing and closing recruiting, ganyan na case. Okay? Tatype ako ha, base pay ulit tayo. Pero guys, kahit commission lang, promise, kung ano pa lang kayo, kung magaling talaga kayo, okay lang yan. Ito, June 19, kailangan ng setters roles. Setter role with earn-based pay. Yan. Setters needed, no payment, no Telegram, Telegroup. Ganito, business consultancy sa kanila. 5K to 30K offer. Ibig sabihin, yung ibebenta mong product from 5K to 30K. B2B setting on LinkedIn. Sorry, sa LinkedIn. Kita nyo? 10% recurring commission. Ay, ang sarap nito. The best to na mangyayari sa inyo. Ano yung recurring, guys? Ibig sabihin, ang tao, yung customer magbabayad ng monthly sa agency or kay client. Every month may 10% ka doon sa ano na yon, customer na yon. Kasi recurring eh. Recurring commission siya. Hindi mo lang isang beses tinanggap yung commission, every month paulit-ulit kang tatanggap ng commission for the same client. Make sense? Hindi siya one time na commission. Yung ganun. Okay, Ashley yan. Ito nga yung kay ano yung 40K. O ito din sa kanya, hiring, full-time setter position. Si Sofia, Feb 29 pa yan, pero pwede ka mag-apply dyan, maniwala ka. 2.5 na base pay din 4% commission. I'm just showing you guys. Ito, kailangan nila full-time customer success manager. Base pay is 1.5 to 2,000. Nakikita nyo na? Hindi. Live to ha, sa Facebook. Are you learning guys? It's 7:55. I'm very sorry. Baka may bitin to. Meron kayong mga questions. But I'm just showing you, I'm just telling you, meron talagang high ticket sales. Bago lang sa pandinig nyo, ngayon nyo lang narinig. Pero I want to help you guys. Okay? So I would recommend those people na yung nag-invite sa inyo para sa, you can reach out to them. Okay? Pero for now, I have to go. I'm very sorry kasi meron akong meeting pa, may training ako. I'll be teaching people about DM appointment setting. Okay? But if you want, mag-DM na lang kayo dun sa nag-invite sa inyo so that they can give you the link. I'll see you in a bit, like in 5 to 10 minutes because I'll start the training naman dun sa kabila for DM appointment setting. Okay? Salamat guys. Let me stop the recording. Muntik ko nang iiwan to. Okay, pero I hope you